everyone, welcome to Umkosi noMagajeni. I am uMagajeni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazalwa bami, it's about Thabo Bester. So if you don't know Thabo Bester, guys, there's no one who doesn't know Thabo Bester. Now he's a famous prisoner. We killer, we unje uchwepheshe entweni ezirong zala South Africa. Now besabokwaziwa ukuthi ushonile kanti uyaphila. So now base prison with a girlfriend like, which is Dr. Nandip. So Thabo Bester, last week there were rumors that there's a celebrity who was visiting her, and the people they thought is Mamkhize, and Mamkhize trended for the whole week last week. He was trending number one. Why? What is the main reason anga visit Thabo Bester? And a lot of people, they have this thing maybe it might be Mamkhize, since so says Gucci, she has a lot of money, and obvious if you marry, she has connection, and then the politics, the former husband Mr. Mpisane. No, guys, so there are new rumors. So allegedly the person who was visiting Thabo Bester is Simphiwe Ngema, the former actress and singer. So we don't know why Gucci become visitor, but go on the list, the prisoners list, list as a prison, visitors, the visitors list as a prison. But we don't know whether, I don't know whether my people say so a prison they go nama ID na. Maybe it's Simphiwe Ngema. I mean, like, maybe it's another Simphiwe Ngema. We're not sure, but again, now they are saying allegedly Simphiwe Ngema was visiting Thabo Bester while he was in prison. We don't know. Maybe it was an scene statement that should it was not here. Maybe Simphiwe Ngema, we won't know. But for now, Simphiwe Ngema was visiting Thabo Bester. That is all for today. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.